Many gardeners are panicking these days because their cucumber leaves are starting to turn yellow, wilt, and dry up. No matter how much they water, the plants simply don't thrive, and then everyone wonders what's wrong with them. But what most people don't know is that they may already have the solution in their kitchen. So stay until the end of the video, because only then do I reveal what is currently saving hundreds of plants from decay. If you like garden tips like this, don't forget to click subscribe, because here, we share the most useful tricks for a healthy and fruitful garden every day. Yellow leaves on cucumbers are the most common sign of stress, whether the cause is drought, poor soil, lack of nutrients, or even a fungal attack. However, plants can recover faster than you think, only if you give them what they really need. And now listen carefully. A boiled potato is not just food for us. The water in which it is cooked is a real treasure for plants. It contains plenty of starch, potassium, and other minerals that plants simply adore. After boiling the potatoes, save the water without salt. Let it cool to room temperature, then pour this liquid into a spray bottle and spray the leaves and soil around the roots of the cucumbers, best in the morning or early evening. This simple method not only nourishes the plant, but also strengthens its cells and encourages the growth of new, healthy leaves. Share this trick with your friends, because many still throw away this liquid, not knowing how valuable it is for the garden.